In this video, I'm going to go over the Whatafit Resistance Bands, which is an 11-piece set you can use in order to get bigger and stronger from home. To start out, let's take a look at the Amazon order. I purchased the Whatafit Resistance Bands on May 17th, 2020. The package arrived today as of shooting this video, May 20th, 2020 to my doorstep. At the time of purchase, the price for the Whatafit bands was $59.94. The overall shipping cost, as I don't have Prime on my company account, was $8.04, with Texas taxes being $5.61, making a final total of $73.59 for the Whatafit Resistance Bands on Amazon.com. Now let's take a look at what you receive when unboxing this product. So of course, when unboxing the product, you will get the box it comes in, which in this case has some pretty cool cover art, so I may save it in case I want to house it or sell it in the future. You will of course receive 5 different resistance bands in the bag that it comes with, along with 2 different handles, 1 door anchor, and 2 ankle straps. Breaking down the colored bands, we have as follows. We have the yellow band coming in at a 10 pounds resistance. The blue band is next, coming in at 20 pounds of resistance. Moving on to the third, we have the green band at 30 pounds of resistance. Our second to last band is the black band at 40 pounds of resistance, and the heaviest band itself is 50 pounds of resistance. One thing to note is that you can have a range of resistance with each band. For instance, if you are standing on the resistance band, the further apart your feet are, the more resistance you will have in exercises such as the bicep curl or overhead press. So if you decided to combine all of the bands for an exercise, the maximum you can achieve is around 150 pounds of total resistance. So after the unboxing, let's go over the first impressions I have with the Whatafit Resistance Bands. To start out, these are very similar to the UPowX bands I currently own. I would go as far to say that this might even just be a white label product that was stripped from something like China and then was able to be resold on Amazon, because again, these are so similar that I think they just might have changed the company logo and made them the same product. So in all these bands that are being purchased, it might just be that you are buying a white label product. I can't guarantee that, but they are so similar that that might be the case. With that being said, the build and quality look good overall, and I do think these will last me a long time, just like the UPowX bands have done so far. This package comes with the standard accessories and all the exact same accessories, which are again the exact same ones as the UPowX bands. So you're not getting anything new here. It's all the same as pretty much every other band product that I've seen out there that is an 11-piece set. The booklet it comes with actually has some decent information in it regarding how to set up something like the door anchor. If you are someone looking to use it, I personally don't use it that much because I've actually been injured with it before, and I didn't actually have something to look at to demonstrate how to put this in, but if I did, I probably wouldn't have ended up hurting myself. So if you want to use it in your door exercises, go ahead and do so, as it does show you how to set it up properly. Also, I'm pretty excited to test this one out and see if it is any different than the UPowX bands. Now, when I bought the UPowX bands, this was before the whole virus is going around, so they were about 1/3 of the cost that they are now on Amazon. Everything is very expensive. These ones, again, were about triple the cost of what they normally would be, because they come in normally around like $25 versus the $60 base pay that I paid, not counting everything else. So these are quite a bit more expensive, but I know it's hard to find good workout equipment around now. So I want to make a review and show you if this was any better, as I can find these on Amazon right now. And lastly, I'm pretty excited to test these out and see what I can do with them. Now, I have been moving to bands for some of my major exercises, and the ones I'll be doing it mostly for are as follows. One of the best exercises I have for the resistance bands will be the overhead press, where I stand and press the resistance bands overhead. I've had issues with dumbbells in the past where if they're really heavy, they've kind of given me some shoulder issues, and also getting super heavy dumbbells up to your shoulders in standing position can in itself be difficult and could cause an injury, where resistance bands make it easier to get into that starting position. If you are finding that you're having trouble pushing from that lowered position up, try using resistance bands so that you can get past that lowered position and get that full resistance as you push further above your head. The next exercise I'll be doing this with are biceps curls. Now, I've actually moved over to biceps curls as I found that they don't use so much of my forearms in the movement, and I can really focus on contracting the bicep for that full contraction in each rep. Don't get me wrong, you want to have forearms being built bigger and stronger, but I have other exercises such as my farmer's carries, which help with that quite a bit, and I feel it a lot when I do them with farmer's carries. But with biceps curls, I'm really looking for that squeeze and contraction at the top of each rep, and then slowly lowering back to the starting position. So it depends what you're doing. I'm going to be using it for biceps curls when testing this out. So that is one of the main exercises I will be using it with. And lastly, I'm going to be using the resistance bands with my pull-aparts. Now, pull-aparts, as well as things like face pulls, are excellent in order to help build a stronger mid-back that can help bring back your shoulders as well. Your back delts can help bring them back in alignment if you have something like forward rounded shoulders. This has helped me quite a bit in the past build a stronger mid, back, and deltoids to, again, correct my posture overall. So that's about it for this unboxing. Again, a full review of this product will be coming out after about a month of use to tell you if I think they are better, the same, or worse than the UPALX bands I have, because depending on what I think, I will be keeping one and getting rid of the other. If you did like this unboxing, please like and subscribe to GamerBody for more videos just like this one. Also, please make sure to head over to GamerBody.com. There you can check out my current home training program, the equipment I am currently using, and all the resources I am reading and reviewing in order to get bigger and stronger from the comfort of home. And that's it for this video. So again, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Be fit and game on.